me sing, we're bound for South Australia. Haul away, Roland King, heave away, haul away, haul away. You'll hear me sing, we're bound for South Australia.
Welcome to Xtreme Adventures with Wolly Brail. We're in the rainforest of Peru. Buckle up your safety belts, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Now, Brian, up here. Check it out, a toucan. That's a beautiful bird. If I learned one thing down here in Peru, it's that these people like to party, just like me. They also like to leave their debris everywhere, which I do back home in Australia. Beer? Sure, why not? I'd love one. Old discarded wet newspapers? Yeah, that's my kind of party. These are my people. Yeah, Peru, this is a great time. Check it out, a monkey! An alligator! Stock footage!
¡Ya, güey! ¡Por favor, idiota!
Ah, te bañaste.
¡Ya me dejo, idiota!
Alright, let's get down to business. Enough with the horseplay. Like my friends in CNC Music Factory said, let's move it!
Move it! Move it!
Well, kids, I'm having a great time here in Peru. My head, call an ambulance. Wait a minute, kids, I'm not a baby. I don't need an ambulance. Well, let's keep going. Peru seems to be a great place. The rainforests are nice and all. But on the plane ride over, I read that there was going to be buildings and people everywhere. Seems to be nothing like that. Just mud everywhere. Look at the mud, Brian. Look at it. I ought to smash that camera and shove your face in it.
Really, Wally?
Yes, really. I want to hit you. That'll cut you down to size. Let's keep moving. The one good thing about mud is you can play hopscotch, just like I used to when I was a little boy back in Australia. I used to play with Barbie dolls all day and wear my mother's clothes. It would make me feel so free. I felt like a real man. I felt so alive, you know. It was something about putting on a tights just made me feel great. Skip hop, hop. Check it out. That tree looks thousands of years old. You know what that means, kids? Let's knock it over. Family of parakeets. It's about to get extreme for them. Timber. Guess I showed you who's a real man. All that pushing over the trees is making me hungry, though. What I got here is a Peruvian portobello mushroom, a delicacy. I heard these things taste great, and I almost just dropped. Let's see for myself by eating it. Actually tastes pretty good. Where am I? Where am I right now? Where am I?
Why is the rainforest melting?
I'm telling you, Brian, I'm seeing my father everywhere I look. You're right, Dad. It makes perfect sense. I've been getting it wrong all the time. The pieces are finally fitting. First I take a jewelry, then I find the car keys. I'm gonna go for a long ride. Ditch the kids. We don't need them anymore. But I gotta take their clothes because I can sell it for money. Maybe I'll cut off their hair too, because on the free market, you can sell children's hair for a lot these days. Then I'll take all that, take the camera, smash it on his head, drag him through the woods, cut him open. Get out of this rainforest, go back to Australia where I'm gonna take control of all the boomerangs and then I'll be the king. I'll find Nicole Kidman wherever she's living, drag her out of her house by her hair like a caveman would, marry her on a castle in the sky. Then I'll be invincible. The invincible television host. Live happily ever after. Move back to Australia. Buy a Suzuki Outback. Manual. Grey. No miles. Brand new. New car smell. What's going on? I don't even know what this is all too much for me right now. This is I don't even know what's going on anymore. What am I seeing? I'm so dizzy. I'm so confused. I'm so kidding! Join us next week. We're back in Australia making sugar cookies.